I'm Tim from Family Property, and today I'm going to show you how you can transfer a matter from a mediator to a lawyer in family property. So you can see here that I've set up two matters. Here is my mediator matter, and here is my lawyer matter for the same matter. Now, normally, of course, these matters would be in two separate family property accounts. This mediator matters would be in the mediator's account, and this lawyer matter would be in a different account, in the lawyer's family property account. But for today's demonstration, I'm going to keep them in the same account. So first of all, let's just open up the lawyer's matter. I just want to show you that it is completely empty. I've just created it moments ago and I haven't done anything with it. Now, the use case for this is where a mediator has worked with both of the parties and they have reached an agreement, which is great. And now the mediator would like to transfer this matter, all of the information in it, across to a lawyer, who is then going to work with one of the parties, let's say the applicant, to then put the agreement together and formalize it into property orders, parenting orders, application for consent orders, and things like that. So what I'm going to do now is pretend that I'm the mediator, and I'm going to open up, let's pick party A here, who is going to be the applicant. And so what we want to do is we want to transfer party A's side of the matter across into the lawyer's matter. So what you can see here, now that I've opened it up, you can see I've got my tick at the top here. My balance sheets are in agreement. So I've just spent time with the parties and we've reached an agreement, and I've got all of the information updated in personal details, current situation, contributions, and future needs in the considerations tab. So I'm now ready to transfer this matter across to the lawyer. So what you do is you head over to More and you click on Mediation Sync. And what you'll do is you'll get a special code. Now you need to send this code to the lawyer who's using family property. So you want to copy this, Control C, and then you want to send this to the lawyer in an email or something like that. Now what the lawyer is going to do, I'm going to pretend that I'm now the lawyer. So the lawyer is going to receive your code. They're going to open up their matter. So that's, in my case, this one right here. They're going to open up their matter in family property. And as the lawyer, you're going to head straight to More Mediation Sync. And what it's going to do is ask you for the code, paste in their code. So Control V and paste that code in and click Validate. And then this shouldn't take too long, and then you should get a message here that your matter has been connected successfully. Now, when you do this, the mediator will receive an email notification letting them know that you've done this, and effectively there is now a trust built between these two matters, and you can now transfer the mediator's matter, the information in it, I should say, across and populate that information into the lawyer's matter. So what I'm going to do now is go back to my matters, and I'm going to now pretend to be the mediator. So I'm going to click on my mediator matter here, and I'm going to select Alexander, which is going to be the applicant. And now when I head over to More and go down to Mediation Sync, you'll see that I have some options here around the kind of information that I would like to push to the lawyer. Now I could select individual items here by ticking these boxes or selecting the balance sheet with proposals, and then click this Push to Lawyer button if I wanted to push selected information across to the lawyer. But in this case, what I want to do is I'm done with the matter and I want to transfer all of the information in it across to the lawyer. So what I do is I click this button here instead, Transfer Matter. And as it says here, it's going to transfer the dashboard, working balance sheet, and the questionnaire if it was completed. All of that information is going to go across and be populated into the lawyer's matter. So I click OK. And then the transfer will start. Now, this may take a moment or two, so just be patient. But once it is done, you will then receive a message that the information has been successfully transferred. So that's all you need to do as the mediator. Your job now is done. I would say, though, just please double check with the lawyer before you transfer the matter, because it will take the information in your matter and update or put that information into the lawyer's matter, overriding any information that they may have put in there. So just double check and confirm with them that they are ready to accept the transfer, accept your matter. So now what I'm going to do is open up the lawyer's matter and have a look. And as you should see now, there you go. It's fully populated with all the details of the agreement. I would find all of the information under parenting, personal details, current situation, considerations there from the party A's side in the mediator's matter. So I hope this goes to show you how you can use this transfer matter function to quickly and easily and securely transfer the information from one matter across into another in family property.